Hey friend, it's Octavia Klein. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add music to your reel. So I'm going to show you how to do it to 3 different types of reels actually in the Instagram app. So I'm going to show you how to add music to a reel that you created inside the Instagram app. I'm going to show you how to add music to a video that you've already created outside of the Instagram app. And I'm going to show you how to add music to a still photo inside the Instagram app. So I'm going to show you all those 3 ways today. If you're brand new to creating reels on Instagram, this is a great tutorial for you. If you would like to learn about all the equipment that I use to do smartphone photography, smartphone videography, professional videography, professional photography, grab my free guide below. I've been a professional photographer for 12 years. I have a ton of gear. There's some things that I would totally buy again in a heartbeat. There's some things I wish I could upgrade, and there's some things I probably don't need anymore, so I could probably consolidate. And I really give you a detailed description of all the equipment that I use in this guide, why I use it, what I use it for, and if I would keep it or if I would upgrade it or if I would have just not bought it at all. So I'll give you all the information in that free guide that you can find in the link below in the description. And now I'll get started with our tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is open up the Instagram app. And in here, I can just I'm gonna push reel on the bottom. It's already on reel, but sometimes it's on post or story. So reel is at the bottom. And then I can start recording by pushing this white button right here. And I can start recording my video. And then I'm gonna hit stop. I'm gonna hit next. And then at the top right here is a music icon button. And I'm just gonna hit that, and there's a ton of music already loaded into Instagram that I can choose from. I can hit the search box and type in something that I'm looking for. I also have saved videos as well. Now these saved videos are from reels that I saw. I was scrolling through Instagram. I really liked the sound bite that was in there or the music that was on there. And I clicked save, and those went into my saved music, so I can use those as well. I can also do a voiceover in here and do just a different voiceover as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and click this song right here. And I can also toggle this right here and pick where in the song I want it to start and stop in my video. And now I'm gonna hit done. So I can edit the cover photo, I can write a caption, I can save this to my drafts, or I can share it. Okay, so that's how to create a reel in Instagram and add the music that you're creating the reel actually in the Instagram app. Now I'm going to show you how to do this with a video that you already pre-made. Okay, so I'm going to open the Instagram app. I'm going to swipe left. I am going to push reel on the bottom. I'm going to start a new video, and I can change the length of the video. So depending on how long the video is that I have already pre-recorded, I want to do 15, 30, 60, or 90 seconds. I'm going to go with 15 seconds. I'm going to push this little square button on the bottom left with the blue plus arrow. And all my videos and photos are in here. I'm going to go over to this recents button, pull that tab down, and now I have all of my folders. So I'm going to go into this folder. I'm going to grab one of these videos from behind the scenes with my crew, and I'm going to hit next. Then at the top is again the music icon. So same as before, I can go ahead and explore different music. I can add different music that's in here. I can change where I want the music to start and stop. Hit done, hit next, edit my cover photo, write my caption, and either share to Instagram or save it as a draft. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to add music to a still photo in the Instagram app. So first I'm going to go to the Instagram app again. I'm going to swipe left. I'm going to hit reel on the bottom. I'm going to start a new video. I'm going to go to the video length. If it's a still photo, I definitely don't want to do more than 15 seconds just because people have a very short attention span. I'm going to hit the square button on the bottom with the blue plus sign. And now I have all of my photos in here. I'm going to grab one of the photos from my branding shoot today, and I'm going to hit next. I am going to add music to this by hitting the music icon at the top. I've added my music. I can toggle through to see where I want it. Hit the done button, hit next. I can edit my cover photo. I kind of like this picture because it's already a photo, so I'm just going to hit the profile grid and make sure that it is aligned the way I'd like it. Hit done, and now I can write my caption, put my hashtags in, and share this to Instagram. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. If you did, write me a comment if you learned something. If you have any more questions, you can also write those comments down there. If you would like to book a coaching call with me, if you need help with creating your first reel, if you need help with photography, if you would like my advice on branding or just how to make your social media stand out, you can book a coaching call with me below in the links in the description. Again, if you want my guide to all the equipment that I use for smartphone photography, videography, professional videography and photography, you can grab that link below as well. That's a free guide for you. Very, very detailed guide. And please like and subscribe to my channel and check me out in the next video. Have a good day.